Hey there, ambitious teens. Have you ever envisioned yourself making $10,000 a month as a student? Well, you're not alone. But let's be real. The online space is filled with misinformation and false promises.
Lies!
In a world of get-rich-quick schemes, how do you decipher what's legit and what's just smoke and mirrors? Today, we're cutting through the noise to reveal the real deal. I'm going to share the 3 essential components you need to turn that dream into a reality. No BS, no empty promises, just actionable insights that can transform your financial game. Stick around, and I guarantee you'll walk away with a roadmap to your first $10,000 as a student.
Oh, really? Oh, really?
If you want to become this from this, then don't forget to hit subscribe.
New subscriber, master.
Because we're dropping insider secrets regularly. Let's transform your now into an extraordinary next. Let's make that $10,000. Start an online business. Learn the 3 main components. Understand the essentials of online business, including product service offering, marketing, and sales. Find the right vehicle. Choose a business model that is substantial, but not overly risky. Consider factors like market demand, competition, and scalability. Avoid trading. Recognize that trading might not be a reliable way to make money, and instead, focus on building a sustainable online business. Benefits of online business over trading. Online businesses can generate significant income, can be managed remotely, and offer more reliable profitability compared to trading. Service-based business, higher profit margins. Recognize that service-based businesses often have higher profit margins than product-based ones. Leverage and value. Provide a service or guidance that brings value to businesses, leveraging your skills to generate income. Avoid constant reinvestment. Unlike product-based businesses, service-based businesses may not require constant reinvestment and can yield quicker returns. Set expectations and focus on long-term success. Choose the right career vehicle. Consider your career stage and set realistic expectations for success. Avoid succumbing to unrealistic expectations promoted by social media. Ethical and moral focus. Emphasize ethical and moral ways to make money, understanding that long-term success requires dedication, timing, and a bit of luck.
Oh, really?
Wealth-building mindset. Acknowledge that making $10,000 a month is a starting point, and building wealth takes time and effort. Cement your financial identity and learn from old money. Avoid flatlining. Recognize that reaching $10,000 a month is a milestone, but sustaining and growing wealth is challenging. Cement the foundation for long-term success. Study old money. Learn from the principles of old money to understand how to keep and multiply wealth. Continual growth. Once you reach $10,000, consider it as just the beginning. Work towards growing your income and financial identity over time. By combining these strategies and staying dedicated to your goals, a student can work towards making $10,000 a month and beyond.